And lastly, the skeptical buyers. These are the people who try everything and nothing seems to work. So now their walls are so high and they are more cautious and want to feel safe before they invest again. So you need to acknowledge their hesitation and show empathy. Get deeper in understanding why what have they tried so far didn't work so that you can differentiate your offer, or else they won't buy. So if you want to make sure that out of every 5 calls you do, at least 4 people sign up working with you, you need to create better contents, because sale usually happens before you even hop on a call with a prospect. Your content is your client magnet. It's supposed to attract the right people who genuinely need your help and repel those who are not a good fit right off the bat. So if you want your content to be a client magnet and do all the heavy lifting so that when you hop on calls with people, they're already pre-sold, then comment down sold